In this video, you will learn the basic keyboard shortcuts in SPSS and also how to navigate your way through SPSS for easy workflow. I will encourage you all to stay to the end of the video to get the full information. This is the interface you get once you open SPSS. So this is like the general overview where you have your data view and your variable view. So you want to switch from data to variable view. It's very easy. Press on Ctrl T to move you to the variable view. Ctrl T also, so vice versa. And let's say this is already a worked on project, like the project is done. Let's say you want to open a new project or start a new project. Ctrl N, we start a new project for you. See, now we have a new project, and let's say you want to still make reference to an old project, or you want to open previously worked on projects. You press Ctrl O for open. Yes, then you click on the particular project you want to open, then click on open, then open in a new window. Yeah, so you have your project opened. All right, so in data view, what are the things we could do in data view? Of course, I would like to make mention of this. If you can navigate your way through with Word document, Microsoft Word documents to a good extent, I think you should be able to use the shortcuts in SPSS as well. Yeah, there are some similar shortcuts that you use in Microsoft Word that you can also use in SPSS. Okay, so in the data view here, let's say I'm in this particular data, and I want to edit the value there. Let's say 3, yeah, and let's say the 3 was imputed by mistake, and I want to exit. So I just press the escape button. It's going to take me back. Okay, I want to move from this particular data or this particular variable to the next. I just click on tab, right? Shift tab will take me to the previous one. Yeah, so if I want to move to the previous one, I click on shift tab, take me to the previous one. So use tab to move to this, and shift tab to move to the previous one. Okay, so what again can we do in data view? Let's say for instance we want to highlight everything in our row. Click on shift then spacebar. It's going to highlight everything. Then we can do whatever we want to do in the row. Let's say we want to highlight the entire variable, that is this social demographic data. All right, you just click on it and click on Control then spacebar. It's going to highlight the entire variable for you from the beginning to the end. All right, so let's say we are here and we want to move from this particular one, from this variable to the last variable. We just click on Control then the drop down arrow. It's going to take us to the last. All right, so Control then the up arrow is going to take us to the first. So that's how we navigate. All right, so imagine Control then the right arrow is going to take us to the last, of course. Then Control then the left arrow is going to take us to the first. So that's how we navigate the rows and column. All right, so that's basically what we want to do here. So you know how to edit data from here. So if you want to actually change the value here, just click on F2. F2 is going to make you change anything you want to change. Then if you are done with whatever you want to impute, just click on enter. All right, so that's how you move. Then this is another thing. Now we are moving to the variable view. So I remember I said Ctrl T will take us to the variable view, and Ctrl T will take us back, so vice versa. And let's say I don't want to do that, I just want to move straight to the variable view. From here, I can just double click on this variable. You see, now I'm in the variable view. All right, so this is what can we do in the variable view. Let's say for instance we are trying to get a particular variable to be sure whether we imputed a particular variable. We are not so sure. All right, so we want to find that particular variable and missed all these variables. So what we can do is come to this particular place, any place actually. You can just click and just your keyboard shortcut should be Ctrl F. Ctrl F will put you, like you see, find. All right, you can find and you can also replace with this hotkey. All right, so let's say we are looking for marital status. We don't know if there's any variable called marital status there. You just want to be sure, so we just click on find. All right, we type the variable we are looking for here, marital status. All right, so we just click on find next. So when you click on find next, you see the marital status has been highlighted here. Alright, so you click on find next if there are more than one. You can also check, you can also use it to know if there are more than one particular variable or there are just one. So that's what you can use this find for. And let's say we want to now replace, let's say we want to replace marital status. Yeah, the place where we have marital status, we want to replace it with a relationship. So marital status, we are finding marital status. So marital status, then we want to replace it with a relationship. So we are trying to tell SPSS that anywhere you see marital status, change it to relationship. So see, so we are going to just click replace. Then if you look at here, we have marital status here, but this marital status has been replaced this particular window. So this particular place, this particular place, we have marital status here, so it has been replaced with relationship. So that's another thing we can do again with this hotkey Control F, right? So we just go ahead and close here and Control Z to actually undo whatever we have done. So if you want to redo it, you press Ctrl Y, then Ctrl Z to undo. So that's about that. And again, some of you should be familiar with this, that you can actually press Ctrl C to copy, yeah, then Ctrl V to paste whatever you have copied. Yeah, we have copied that one, so you can paste it here. So that's how it works. And if you want to cut it off, like you want to replace that particular variable and like completely, you can just highlight it and press Ctrl X, all right, and put it here. Okay, so you see it's gone. All right, so that is another thing we can do. So Ctrl Z to undo. Now look at this. Now let's say in a particular questionnaire, we have a section that is titled health worker. All right, and under that section of health worker, we have about 10 variables. So what we can do again, instead of typing health worker 1, health worker 2 till we get to 10, we can type health worker, and then we press enter. Then you come here, then right click on this particular variable, click on copy. All right, then what you can do now is to highlight the remaining 9. We already it's 10, so we just highlight the remaining 9. Once we are sure that it's 9, then we right click, all right, and come to paste variables. So paste variables shows number of variables 9, right? So we just come here and just click OK. So look at the magic now. So we already have our health worker up to 10, right? So we don't need to type in 1 2 3 till we get to 10. So that is another way to work. So the only thing we need to put here is just our label and the values and all. So that's one thing you want to do here. And let's say for instance, all these things we just did now, what we just did now is a mistake. You can also come here to this particular variable, then left click and drag up to this place, then right click, then clear. Okay. So we have everything is gone. So we have what the data and the variables we have before. Right, so that is one of the things we want, like basic things that we could actually do with our SPSS to make our work very, 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 very easy. All right, so even in the description below, I've added a particular file, a PDF that is downloadable, that can help you with the various shortcuts you need for easy workflow in SPSS. If this video was helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also turn on the notification button so you can get notification about videos similar to this. All right, thank you.